Today I got finally the security patch for my Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. I installed that one and it's the version CXH7. So it's only 373 megabytes and I thought that this is gonna fix the zoom camera, but let me show you. I tried to shoot a zoom photo with 16.7 and yes. And as you can guess it, the result was this. So definitely not fixed. Of course I wasn't happy with the situation. And then, thanks to you, I was made aware that there is a second update. This is the CXI1. Again, the security patch level is from September and it's almost a half gigabyte. Of course, when you try to see the changelog, yeah, well, there is nothing interesting. The changelog is rather the shady usual Samsung one, you know, like device stability, improvement, etc. But this time they said also device behavior has been improved. So let me install this one and I'm gonna do another one, another test. And this time, I mean, the zoom better be working. I already know that it is working, but of course I need to test it. And if that's the case, then it seems that apparently Samsung managed to fix the annoying bugs that we had when we received the warning 6.1.1 for the S23 Ultra, but you know the story. We are never gonna get something like 6.1.1 because the X.1.1 are only reserved for flip and fold, right, for this type of devices. But let's install this and I'm gonna retest the camera again with that 16 zoom, and the idea is to try to guess this fella looking nice. All right, let's install it and test. And if you hear it the first time, you might as well want to support the channel, guys. See what happens. So the software has been updated. I'm gonna press OK and I'm gonna start the camera. All right, I want to show you guys how you can tell if the issue is fixed. So go to intelligent optimization. I'm going to select maximum for the quality optimization and also scene optimizer. Now it's time to turn the camera. I'm now at 10x. This worked before, but I want to test the processing. Alright, processing applied. Alright, looks nice and cool. And now the ultimate test, guys. Now I'm gonna go somewhere between 16 and 20. So let's say 16.6. I'm gonna do one shot here. And I'm gonna do another one at 18.7.
Another one.
Alright, let's open that one. And processing applied. Boom! Wow, finally! It looks a bit soft, and that's okay. Going inside the settings, you can also choose the camera assistant, and you can just see picture softening is off. You can set it to medium or to high. Let's now do picture softening to high and see what is gonna happen. So I'm gonna shoot another 18.7 photo. All right, this is now with the higher setting.
Another one.
And yep, even more softer, but you know, the annoying bug is gone. Let me tell you, this was the story before this. Everybody hated this, I hated this. Now, this has been finally fixed. So if you do own an S23 Ultra, just go, download and enjoy. And if you like content like this, you know what to do. VST over and bye.